Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file. This is what they drew. And when they fill it in with the Smart Fill tool on any color, I'm going to use red this time, they get that. But that's not what they want. They want the inside parts colored, filled in, and they could do it manually by taking the Smart Fill tool and filling these in, but that would take a while. So they were questioning how they could do it. So this is a box that I'm going to hold down the shift key and double click on the rectangle tool. That gave me a perfect rectangle. It is 20 inches wide, so I'm going to make my nudge factor 25, and I'm going to nudge that out of the way. That's their drawing. So I'm going to make this blue, and then I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in with red, and I'm going to nudge it over. And then it is on the front, so I'm going to go, I think I'm going to go back minus front. And look what it did. It filled in the holes. Take away the outline, and you have what he wanted. Pretty cool design. So back minus front is about the only way you could do that. Let's do that one more time. So you've got to have a solid color, and then move that over, or what you could do is move that over and select both items. And you down here, well, we got 3 items selected because that outline is there. And we're going to go back minus front. Nothing changed. Maybe I didn't. You know what? Maybe I need to take away the outline. So now we select it. We still have 3 items. How can we have 3 items? Oh, there's the 3rd item we don't need. So because this is going to be on front, now we're going to select them both, and you will see we got 2 objects, and we're going to go back minus front. And now he has what he wants. And with that, you can make this pattern continuously by setting your nudge factor now on 20 inches and hit the plus key on your keyboard and just do as many of them as you want. That just happened to work out, and then change your nudge factor to 25, because that's how tall it is. And then you could select these and hit your plus key on your keyboard, and you can have it keep going forever and ever and ever. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.